Bitcoinist mania drives a surge in Google searches. Anticipation and excitement surrounding the possible approval of a Bitcoin standard fund in the United States is intensifying, as evidenced by a significant increase in online searches. The surge in Google queries related to the topic reflects the growing interest and intrigue in the cryptocurrency investment community. NetF is a financial instrument that tracks the performance of an underlying asset, in this case Bitcoin. It enables investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without actually owning the cryptocurrency itself. This provides a regulated and widely accessible avenue for individuals and institutions to invest in Bitcoin, potentially leading to increased adoption and mainstream acceptance of the digital currency. The potential approval of a Bitcoinist in the United States has been a topic of speculation and discussion within the financial world for quite some time. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is the regulatory body responsible for reviewing and approving its applications. Previous attempts to launch a Bitcoinist have been met with resistance and regulatory hurdles due to concerns around market manipulation, custody of assets, and the overall volatility of the cryptocurrency market. However, recent developments have reignited hope for the introduction of the first Bitcoinist in the United States. Several companies, including VanEck, Bitwise, and Solixt, have submitted proposals seeking regulatory approval for their ETFs. These proposals have garnered significant attention from investors, prompting them to search for information and updates on Google. Surge in Google searches suggests that market participants are closely monitoring the progress of these applications and eagerly awaiting a decision from the SEC. The potential approval of a Bitcoinist is seen as a significant milestone for the cryptocurrency industry, as it could open the floodgates for a wave of institutional capital and bring further legitimacy to the market. However, it is important to note that investing in cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, is still associated with risks. As with any investment, individuals should exercise caution and do thorough research before making any financial decisions. Furthermore, the approval of a Bitcoinist is not guaranteed, and the SEC's decision will depend on various factors and considerations. Nonetheless, the surge in Google searches surrounding the potential approval of a Bitcoinist reflects the growing interest and desire for greater accessibility to Bitcoin investment opportunities. It demonstrates the evolving landscape of the cryptocurrency market and the increasing acceptance of digital assets in the mainstream financial world.